This is the bongo net, consists of two plankton nets which used to collect the phytoplankton during sampling. The bongo net must connected to the RV discovery, so easy to control. We must attach the flow meter to the bongo net and record the initial reading.
As the bongo net is lower, the ship moves forward at approximately 2 knots or 2.3 mph. This is done to keep the cable holding the bongo at a 45-degree angle. A 45-degree angle of the wire that tows the bongo is important to make sure that water flows directly into the mouth opening of the net. One of the scientists will constantly monitor the wire angle using a device called an inclinometer or clinometer and report it to the officer on the bridge. The bridge officer will then adjust the speed if necessary to maintain the proper wire angle.
After a few moments, the bongo net is pulled out from the ocean in the vertical position.
Next step is rinse the bongo net using the seawater in vertical position so that the plankton that trapped in the bongo net will go into the PVC collecting bucket below. Next, to take the zooplankton, loosen up the bucket first and then remove the lid of the PVC collecting bucket. Next, record the number of the water flow. When the water flows into the net, the flow meter will turn in and at the same time, the number will change so that the volume of the water that enter the bongo net can be calculated.
Before we collect the phytoplankton from the bongo net, we must record the final reading of flow meter.
The next step is we should loosen up the bucket to take the zooplankton. Then we remove the lid of the PVC bucket so we can see the zooplankton. After that, we have to remove the zooplankton from the bucket because we are going to keep the zooplankton in a sampling bottle. To remove the zooplankton, we must pour the zooplankton into the tray and rinse the PVC collecting bucket using seawater so that we can prevent zooplankton from dying. Then, we must put the filter into the sampling bottle and pour the zooplankton from the tray into the sampling bottle. After that, we have to make sure all the zooplankton are put into the sampling bottle and not trapped in the net. The last one, we should put formalin to preserve the zooplankton. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.